This week we're going to make a slide that's going to go on not just the TVs around school, but also out to parents and students to advertise buying a yearbook. First thing, go to Google and go to Canva. If you don't have an account, you should probably sign up and get one. They're free. And when you get to the home page, there are different designs across the top. You may have to scroll left and right. I use this design quite often, so it's the first one I see, but if you need to scroll around, find the one that says Twitter post. Now, it really has nothing to do with Twitter or X. It just refers to the size of the post, and this fits on the Midway TVs as well as all of our social media and parent and student square perfectly. All right, when it comes to design, you can use anything you want. You want to find a pre-made design that has at least one image on it, because you need to include at least one picture for this. I'm kind of liking this one, but really you find a design you like, and if you change your mind later, it's okay to switch that around. Somewhere on the design, it needs to say Midway High School or MHS, and then I'm going to say buy a, and this one happens to set up to where the word yearbook is a lot bigger, and I'm going to tell them that you can pick up an order form in room 806 or scan the QR code, which I'm going to show you how to get in a second. If there's extra stuff, we don't really need it. You can move this stuff wherever you want to. I am going to need to create a space for the QR code, which we'll get to in just a minute. Again, it depends on your design what you need to do right here. Make sure the text is pretty big. They are going to be walking around school and seeing this from a distance, so don't put a lot of text on here. It needs to be quick information. So MHS, buy a yearbook, pick up an order form in room 806 or scan the QR code. All of that information needs to be on your design somewhere, no matter where. Let's talk about replacing the image. On the left-hand side, go to Uploads, then Upload Files, navigate to the Apps Drive, Journalism, Yearbook 2025, where all of our pictures are. And remember, our best photos are in the Best Photos folder, but you can find them anywhere you want to. Depending on how many pictures you need, upload that many. Some nice theater ones, or nice, here we go, I'm going to use the volleyball one as an example. Need something vertical. Takes a minute to upload. You can upload multiple pictures. As you upload them, they're going to be here in your Uploads folder. Click and drag it over, adjust as needed. If there's an element on the design that you don't like, you can get rid of it. In fact, I don't think I want this thing right here anyway. Oops, undo. I'm going to get rid of that little design. I'm going to center her better. Oh, it won't let me make it smaller. That's okay. I can at least pull this down. How does that look? Works for me. All right, now to get a QR code, go to the top of your screen in Chrome and create a new tab. And then we are going to Google Yearbook Order Center. This is Herff Jones Varsity's website, Yearbook Order Center, where people can buy a yearbook. Get to the home page. You won't actually type it in, but to find Midway High School, you type in 6627 right here, or you can search by school name. We try to tell people our school number so it's easier for them to find it. It's on our order form and it's in most of our mailings. But this is the page we need to create a QR code for. On the top right of your screen, you see 3 dots. Click the 3 dots. Then go to Cast, Save, and Share. Then scroll over to Create QR Code. And we can, let me see if I can copy it. See if I can copy it and just paste, Control V. Hey, that works. Try that. If that does not work for you, you can actually just go ahead and click the download button, and when you're in Canva, go to upload files and go to downloads. Go ahead and upload that QR code. Either way, you can copy paste or you can download the picture of the QR code, but have that QR code somewhere on your design. There's so many different ways you could do this, but this is the basic information. What would get your attention if you're walking around the school? All right, MHS, buy a yearbook, pick up an order form in 806 or scan the QR code. We got QR code, we have at least one image. I think we're done, ready to turn it in. It's 3 dots. Oh, not the 3 dots, I'm sorry, share. Click on share, download. Save it either as a PNG or JPEG. I always prefer JPEGs, it's just easier for me to grade. Size, go as far as you can. Want to get nice high quality. large file size, and then download. And it will download to your downloads folder. So next thing to do is to go on to Schoology and submit this slide for your grade.